ng mga silver bass. Ito fishing rod ni Superiman ito.
That's my fish. I'm eating a popsicle.
Superiman fishing rod. Yun! Dagat na yun. Hindi kaya. Okay? Pagka nag-move siya, it means there are fish, okay? Yun. Ayos. Isa na kami. Puling. Yeah? Go, reel the rod.
Come to me.
Go get some fish, man.
Come.
Go get some fish. Fish. Come on.
Come to me.
Here. Almost. Oh, here. There you go. Look at that. There are fish. Mama, help him. Wow, good boy. Hold on. O yan, oh. Oh, may nahuli na si Iman. 1-0. Alright. Wow. Good boy. Naglenga na gala lamusan. Yeah? Wow.
It is a big
Yeah, that's a big fish.